Hello, lovely learners. I know you want to speak English fluently, but you don't know what to say or where to start. Here's the truth. If you're not speaking English daily, you're not improving. But what if I told you just 2 minutes a day can change everything? Hi, I'm Emily from Flutalk English, and this is part 1 of our new series. Speak English in 2 minutes. Each video, or one topic, 2 minutes, real speaking practice. Wait, don't skip yet, because most learners quit too soon. They wait for perfect English and never speak at all. But real fluency doesn't come from thinking. It comes from speaking. Still watching? Great, because this is the part that changes your habits forever. Here's what I want you to do today. Pick a topic, like what you ate for breakfast. Set a timer for 2 minutes, and just start talking. It can feel awkward. It can feel messy. That's okay, because awkward is where the growth begins. This is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. If you speak every day, even short, simple sentences, your confidence will grow fast. In the next video, we'll talk about your morning routine. I'll guide you through it. But right now, your job is simple. Speak for 2 minutes about anything today. You don't need more lessons. You need more talking. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss part 2. And remember, your English voice is waiting. Let's speak together. Let's make fluency a habit. One topic, 2 minutes every day.